After a crash in the qualifying heats, that guy right there, Glenn Coldenhoff, will not be racing, at least anymore, in the MXoN Nations in France this weekend. Apparently, a collision with Isaac Gifting left Coldenhoff with a concussion and a broken rib. So obviously, concussion protocol is huge these days, and with a broken rib, trying to keep the breath in you need to do this sport, he's definitely going to be out. So sadly, that's, who knows? Yeah, apparently, Kyler DeWolf and Calvin Valandrin, I'm going to say that very wrong, and I'm sorry, will still be racing this weekend for their country, but sadly, he will not be. Not two big names, but two people already, with him and Grant Harlan injured in just qualifying. Sucks to see. You never want to see people get injured at all, but you definitely don't want to see people get injured in something that doesn't really matter. But in the comments below, you tell me, who do you think is going to win? Who's going to finish second, third? Where do you think the USA is going to finish after almost not even going this year? And whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.